This episode, I'm going to make a very instant raw mango pickle. First, I'm going to grind my fenugreek seeds into a coarse powder. So let's do that. So I have a coarsely ground powder over here. This is how coarse I need my fenugreek seeds. I'm going to start mixing all the ingredients. So first my raw mango goes in, coarsely ground fenugreek seeds. If you find it too bitter, you can add less. It's up to you. Hing, turmeric powder and red chilli powder. I'm using the spicy one. Add as much of spice that you can handle. Salt to taste. Let's first mix everything. Make sure all the mango is coated with the masalas. And now I'm going to add the oil. 1.5 to 2 tablespoons of oil. Mix it well. Pickle masala is available in any of the Indian stores, so you can always buy that and add oil and a little bit of salt and mix it with your raw mango, and it's even easier to make this recipe. The raw mango pickle is ready to serve. This pickle can be stored in the refrigerator for 2 to 3 days. Enjoy this pickle with any of the Indian flatbreads like parathas or thepla. Don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next episode. Take care. Bye-bye.